You caught all of this by yourself?
Yeah.
All of that?
Yeah.
No one helped you?
No one.
Only in this container?
I got, are you laughing about it?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's so silly, Amari. Who can...
Colleen Garcia binahagi ang napakagandang umaga katabi ang dalawang anak na sina Amari at Austin. Ang gaganda nga ng kanilang gising. Kapag gising na ang mga baby, gising na rin ang mami. Habang si Daddy Billy naman, masarap pa rin ang tulog. Ang pogi-pogi naman nga nitong si Austin. Si Amari look-alike ng mami, habang si Austin look-alike ng Daddy Billy.
Oh my God! Again, nahuli.
Si Amari masipag pa lamang huli ng langaw sa loob ng bahay nila. Nakakapasok nga ang mga fly kaya naglilibangan niya ito. Madalang din siya kasing mag-gadget kaya marami siyang na-explore na activity. Ang linis-linis naman niya ng bahay nila at maluwang ang sala. Maluwang ang laruan ni Amari. Si Amari daw pinapayagang manood ng TV 1 hour a day pero pinipiling panoorin ay hindi nga cartoon, kundi nature and animals. Sa caption ni Colleen, he only has less than an hour of TV in a day. Today, it's only 15 minutes and this is the kind of content he loves.
What's... Oh my goodness. You caught all of this by yourself?
Yeah.
All of that?
Yeah.
No one helped you?
No one.
Only in this container?
I got, a lot of flights in one
Oh my
container.
gosh, Amari.
Are you sad?
No, I'm not. I'm kind of grossed out, but I'm also impressed.
Are you laughing about it?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's so silly, Amari. Who can do that?
May container naman nga si Amari para sa mga flies. Tinatanong nga ang mami kung sad dahil nakahuli siya ng fly. Inaalam nga ang feelings ng kanyang mami Colleen. Nakakatuwa naman ang naging libangan mo, Amari, sa bahay. Bigkuya na rin si Amari kaya buhatin ang kanyang little brother na si Austin. Tuwang din lagi ni Colleen ang kanyang ina sa pag-aalaga sa kanyang mga anak. Mabait nga ang mami ni Colleen mula sa panganganak, nandito siya palagi. Ang cute naman ng bed ni Austin para nga hindi na magpabuhat kusa na itong umuugoy. Tila nga duyan ang kanyang higaan. Kaya naman relaxing na mag-alaga ng bata ngayon dahil marami nang nauuso.
This for me?
Dad, what's that? What's that? What's that?
It's the same.
What's that? Open it, open it.
See it?
Open it.
May nagbigay naman ng regalo kay Amari. Laman nito ay cash vouchers pang shopping ng kanyang damit at ang sweet naman nila kay Amari. At syempre nagbigay din ng regalo kay Austin ng mga damit na pang newborn. Ganito sila kagalante kay Colleen at Billy.
Maybe it's for me. No name, that means it's for me.
Let's see. It's so cute. What's that? Oh, it's gift certificates. This is for you.
What is it?
Okay, so here's everything that was in there. There's a
Excited na excited si Amari tuwing mag-unbox ng mga gifts. Kaya nakaka-excite kapag nag-unbox ng mga regalo sa Pasko. Maaga nga ang gift sa kanila, maraming magagamit ni Austin. Kaya Amari naman, siya napipili ng kanyang gustong damit.
so cute. Constance just sent me this gift pack, and there's so many baby clothes for every stage. I love it. And they also sent me, ta-da, just in time. This is super cute. I can't wait for Austin to wear this for Christmas. And this one too. See? With a little hat. So cute. So all of this can be bought in Rustan's. I honestly think that, okay, if you need a baby outfit, one of these would be great. But also, this would be an amazing gift for any expecting mama. I mean, look at that.
Gustong-gusto ni Colleen ang mga damit at magagamit nga sa Pasko dahil binigyan din sila ng pula. Si Amari na lang ang bibilhan niya. Ang swerte nga nila ng pamilya Crawford.
Set of 3 bibs and these fur box, set of 3. There's a hooded blanket. We have these little sandals and shirts that go with these little shorts. Oh my gosh, there's no shorts yet. Perfect. And the sandals, so cute. Then we also have these onesies, also come in a set of 3, and this is my favorite. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's hooded and footed, so I'm so excited to see how this is gonna look on my baby.
Mommy?
And yes, baby,
Yes, is this one for
newborn sizes that I will keep for the next
Mommy?